You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. There are different pronunciations in English, so we're gonna have to go through. It's mainly the difference between British English pronunciation and American English pronunciation. So British English pronounces it as atom, atom, okay? There's no O sound whatsoever. The spelling suggests there should be an O, atom, maybe atom, no. Atom, atom. The stress is on the first syllable. Now, the Americans pronounce it as Adam with a T sound, a T, flap T sound that sounds exactly like a D. So they pronounce it exactly like the name, spelled A-D-A-M, Adam, you know, Adam, essentially pretty similarly Adam, American English, or atom, British English. Was this any useful? Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.